So guys, this is your boy Ripsy J, CEO of Nightmare Racing Films, and it's about 10:29. I'm about to go work on the car, get some shit done. So let's go. There's like a smudge on this shit. Alright, so I got the seat right here. I just gotta wrap it. I gotta wrap this, pull out my seat, put it in. Got me some tools. Just got the back bolts out. I forgot where I put them. It's right here. My speaker wire with those. Now it's time to get the front ones. And the seat is ready to get out. Alright. This is probably the most awkward position ever. Alright. One more to go. This one. You can see that. If this is your first time taking out an EK seat like me, there's this wire that's, stuck between it. Let's yank that shit out right here. And this show's even plugged in. I don't know what it is, but yeah. All you gotta do is get a flathead and just pull this shit out. And my seat's ready to get out. So, I'll be right back and show y'all when I get the corbeau seat inside here. This is what it looks like right now. I'm about to vacuum, clean up a little bit, and yeah, here we go. Time to get the corbeau seat ready. Here it is. Alright, let's get this thing out, go install it, and put that shit away. Alright, I got the seat in. These are, EG Integra rails, so only this bolt's gonna fit right now. So I got this one, this first one, this one down here, and the one over there. And it's this one that is not gonna be bolted down unless I find another metal piece and extended it because it's short. But I think 3 bolts will be fine for now because I'm not driving the car. So yep. I'll be right back. This is kind of hard doing it with one hand. Alright, so I got the seat out, put the new seat in. Put the new seat in, bolted all the 3 bolts down. Looks pretty dope. It's a good fit for me. I wish it could slide forward a little bit more, but I guess this what it'll do. All I gotta do now is vacuum, clean up everything. And I looked at my motor. I was gonna put the oil pan and stuff together, but it seems like I don't have any of the bolts, and I need the oil pan gasket. Carpet back in. Shit. there. Booming. Fuck. There we go. I might actually take these seatbelt things off because I don't need them no more. So, y'all know we out here in the RSX. Just picked up the game, you know.
Yep.
Damn, look at that thought. Oh shit, this is
Vape gun.
Wow.
Alright, let's go.